Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Lego Carnival sets are probably one of the most exciting and immersive building experiences available for fans of all ages, offering a vibrant escape into a world of thrilling rides, classic games, and delicious treats, all meticulously recreated with the iconic Lego brick. These sets don't just provide a fun building challenge, they unlock a portal to imaginative play, allowing you to construct your very own bustling amusement park, complete with towering Ferris wheels, spinning carousels, and lively game stalls, making them a perfect centerpiece for any Lego collection or a fantastic gift for those who love a touch of nostalgia and a whole lot of fun. Number 5. Lego Classic Medium Creative Brick Box 10696. Discover the Lego Classic Medium Creative Brick Box, a versatile building set designed for endless imaginative play. It's perfect for sparking creativity in builders of all ages. Spend hours lost in pretend play, building exciting creations like toy trains or even a tiger figure. This classic collection of bricks in 35 vibrant colors offers endless possibilities. This creative toy includes essential pieces like windows, eyes, tires, and wool rims, along with a green baseplate for immediate building. Plus, the container doubles as convenient toy storage. Let your imagination run wild as you pick from an assortment of colorful bricks to bring any building idea to life. It's a fantastic way to foster creativity and enhance playtime. The fun doesn't have to stop with this set. These building toys are fully compatible with all other Lego construction sets, allowing for even grander builds and adventures. With 484 pieces, including a baseplate measuring over 3 by 6 inches, this kit offers engaging fun for everyone. It's designed for boys and girls aged 4 to 99 years old. What we like. This set offers unparalleled creative freedom with a vast array of bricks in multiple colors. It encourages imaginative play and can be used with any existing Lego collection. If you are looking for a versatile set that sparks creativity for all ages, this is the perfect choice for open-ended building adventures. What people say. The set contains a wonderful variety of basic bricks in all shapes and colors, making it easy to build anything you can imagine. The mix of bright, vibrant colors and the assortment of different specialty pieces, like eyes, wheels, and window frames, is well curated. The included instructions for the train, car, and tiger are great jumping-off points, but the real fun is when my kids start creating their own structures and figures. Number 4. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020, Nintendo Switch. Get ready for some fun. Everyone is invited to join Mario, Sonic, and their friends for exciting sports challenges. Show off your skills at a variety of sports events. Compete on the track, in the gym, the ring, or even in the water. There are so many party games for everyone to enjoy. Race your way to victory. With more than 30 events to master, you'll have plenty of opportunities to prove your skills against your friends in multiplayer mode. The whole team is here. You can play as Mario, Sonic, or choose from a fantastic lineup of characters from your most beloved games. Experience some truly unique dream events. These blend fantastical elements with reality, offering exciting challenges like hoverboard races and karate showdowns. Don't miss the epic story mode. Travel back to 1964 to compete in classic, retro 2D sports events. It's a journey through time. Enjoy the game however you like on your Nintendo Switch. Choose between motion or button controls, single or dual Joy-Cons, and play solo or with others, locally or online. What we like. Experience the thrill of the Olympic Games with a fun-filled party game on Nintendo Switch. It features a wide variety of sports and characters, plus exciting dream events for chaotic fun. If you love competitive multiplayer games and want to challenge your friends with a mix of classic and fantastical sports, this is the game for you. What people say. There are two main modes for the quick game non-story mode, the 2020 Tokyo Games, and the mid-century Tokyo Games from the last century. There are a lot of sport games represented, from team sports like soccer and volleyball to individual sports like rock climbing and surfing. The game looks great and it's always amusing to run your favorite Mario and Sonic characters through various sporting events. I especially enjoy the addition of the 2D retro graphics style events as they are very reminiscent of sports minigames from back in the day. There are also 3 games that have been Mario Sonic Eyes special games included in the 2020 Quick Mode, a skateboard racing game, a karate game I think, etc. I really enjoy the racing one. Number 3. Lego Creator 3-in-1 Wild Lion 31112. Unleash your creativity with this amazing building set. It offers 3 incredible models in one, sparking endless imaginative play. Will you choose to build a mighty lion, a swift ostrich, or a playful warthog? The choice is yours with this versatile toy. Add a vulture to your creations for even more exciting savanna adventures. These brick-built animals are ready for action. Pose them for epic adventures. The lion's legs, tail, head, and jaw move, while the ostrich and warthog offer their own dynamic articulation. This 224-piece set provides a fun building challenge for kids aged 7 and up. It's the perfect reward for any creative child. Standing over 4 inches tall, the lion model is perfectly sized for playtime anywhere. Take the adventure with you, at home or on the go. What we like. Unleash your imagination with 3 distinct animal builds from a single set, a lion, ostrich, and warthog. Each model is highly posable, offering dynamic play options. If you enjoy building and rebuilding to create different animal figures and want a portable set for creative adventures, this 3-in-1 kit is an excellent option. What people say. The Ferris will spin smoothly, and the little cars can be attached and detached easily. The carousel music plays a cheerful tune, and the horses move up and down realistically. The ticket booth is a nice touch, with tiny tickets that can be handed out. Number 2. Lego Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255. Step into the vibrant assembly square, a modular building that brings a bustling street to life. It features a variety of shops, a dance studio, and a charming outdoor cafe. This modular model offers versatile display options, allowing you to arrange it in various positions. Its elaborate facade boasts beautifully detailed windows and doors, adding a touch of elegance. Bring your creation to life with 8 minifigures, including a dentist, barista, baker, and florist. You'll also find a dancer, photographer, a Lego fan, and a baby figure. Compatible with all Lego construction sets, this building toy encourages endless creative building possibilities. Let your imagination run wild and combine it with your existing collection. Standing over 13 inches high and 14 inches wide, this impressive set is a true centerpiece. With 4,002 pieces, it offers a rewarding building experience for ages 16 and up. What we like. This highly detailed modular building offers a vibrant street scene with multiple shops and amenities. It comes with a large cast of minifigures, perfect for creating intricate stories. If you are an experienced builder looking for a challenging and rewarding display piece that offers endless storytelling possibilities, this set is a must-have. What people say. Large and deep build with lots of pieces. No sticker, all printed bricks, modular rocks. It has so many intricate details. It is just amazing when looking at it. Number 1. Lego Friends Magical Funfair Stalls 41687. Bring the magic of the carnival right into your home. This exciting set lets you create your own Funfair experience. Wow your friends and family with a detachable magic trick. It's perfect for putting on a dazzling show. With 2 mini dolls and a micro doll, the creative roleplay possibilities are endless. Who will you be today? Add a touch of mystery with special glow-in-the-dark bricks that come alive in the dark. It's pure enchantment. Serve ice cream, paint faces, or sell tickets, the Funfair is yours to command. You can even take the magic on the go. Looking for a gift for a creative child aged 6 and up? This set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, especially for those who love magic and play. What we like. Bring the magic of the Funfair home with these charming carnival stalls, including a captivating magic trick. Special glow-in-the-dark elements add an extra layer of wonder. If you're looking for a set that encourages interactive play, imaginative role-playing, and a touch of enchantment, this is a fantastic gift for young fans of magic and carnivals. What people say. The Ferris will spin smoothly and has a working crank. The roller coaster track is well designed and the car runs down it. Includes many minifigures and accessories for added play value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.